Okay, we're looking to short CAMP here. Took a pre-market trade on it. I already stopped break even with a couple of cents. I'm looking to trade here IMMP. I want to get a bit higher, so focusing here. I think the 175 area on this.
250 soak IMMP 167.
IMMP.
May turn down over here.
I'm looking for this. Picking a starter. Tape is red. Get level 2
See
up
the
here.
reversal over here after the soak.
Keep an eye here on CAMP. I want to get into this 233.
If you see a push on MBRX, push on CAMP over here.
CAMP, pulling up the ticker here on my level 2. CAMP, I'm going to get more locates in case. I'm going to wait. It's not my setup.
Then get to the J lines over here waiting. Apple waiting. The fail of IMMP. You see the soak 250K. They had no more over here to buy and unwind.
Come on, CAMP. Don't do this to me. Come on. You serious?
Rejection, let me know. Or pop.
God damn. All right.
IMMP over here.
IMP.
J lines pop and fail.
I'm going to trim some at
now
1.
Looking at Apple.
IMMP. I'm going to trim some at 150. That $0.50 level. God damn. So discouraged on CAMP. Right,
IMMP.
Let's go.
Earl over here. Nothing on Apple. Nothing on BA. We have to wait for that reversal.
Hit it. Added 171. I'm going to cut over the zone here. I'm going to have a last add.
I'm taking yet Apple. Want to see a curl up over here. Look your tick charts forming a curl. On the break of this is your long.
It wasn't really what I wanted to do.
Risk 394.80. Very tight stop. Trend line break, curl up. Waiting on the IMMP.
And added IMMP. I think she's done.
If it flushes down below 395, out Apple for a scratch. Doesn't have volume over here. You see, didn't break that 250.
Setting in a range order here for CAMP. I just want to make sure. It stops me out if ever something happens. Literally risking 10 cents on it. I'm going to switch back to IMMP. Being careful on it.
Buyers and buyers on IMMP traders.
Okay, being careful here. Nope. I'm going to cut IMMP. Cut. Cut it.
Reversal Apple over here.
I'm still in
IMP
cams.
is still going up. Pretty good volume, 600K per minute.
What is my entry? 1924 entry.
All green the tape of on IMMP. We soak 500,000 at 180. MBRX pushing.
I think that was the entry.
Be a reversal over here to that 188 resistance. Waiting MMP. Waiting Gene. Remember, Gene likes to extend.
Okay, so I'm putting in my range order here. I didn't get the best average on cam. I got here at 224. I got the pop here, and I'm literally putting my target here at 210. So we get a nice flush to 210. I'm going to take it. Not a huge trade on it, but
Started short. 312 on Gene. Risk came very tight, that 320. Risk in this 320 traders. Gene added. give the 320. 320 starts sipping. 320 starts sipping. I'm giving away.
Out. Boom. Okay. What do you want? That's out. That's it. That's
Another
my
trend
trade.
break over here. Want to see a lower high and then add my full position on a second account over here below 305, 306. Still holding, still pushing. I'm out, 320. We'll show the trades after. So 9 cents cut, good. CAM for almost a target. Average 256 from pre-market, gonna cover it too. Waiting on BA. Rejection over here, BA. Trend break.
Okay, I'm in no positions as of now. I got in here at 224 on this small pop here. Camp covered here at 211. The best trade of the day. I stopped myself out here at 180, and I should have been. This should have been like my. What did I say? This was my zone of interest, and I got in
Gene
here.
over here also gave a good curl up long on the J lines. 1 minute.
Kind of messed this one up a bit. Ouais.
Looking at the MBRX.
J'ai fini, là, je vais parler tout.
High volume on MBRX, making higher lows over here. BA falling on J line rejection.
Oh, this was a major miss here.
Gene had the trend line break at 340. Let's see if we break down the pre-market high. So looking for that 320s. IMMP target 150.
Yeah, I had that 152. God damn. Well, I messed up on this today. It wasn't a good day. Well, I mean, it's a green day, but it's not. Trading two ticker sometimes could be mixing up. I'm on Trade Zero free platform, so I kind of messed up on that trade. So what we're looking for now is, well, this is dead. I'm potentially looking for a like a J line rejection here. The 228. But to be honest, I think this is dead. This is dead.
So look in this uptrend on MBRX. Gonna see a fader in this pre-market consolidation over here. So perfect gap and grab pattern over here. This one. Still waiting the tape to reverse. Still uptrend over here. Doing some sell-off over here. 330 sellers.
All right, I'm gonna cut it here, guys. I'm gonna plot out my trade.
Gene below pre-market highs at 320. MBRX over here waiting for the lower high. Handful almost at cover. Gene, we had the curl over here. Volume showing a 320, stop 310s. Sorry, 310s, stop 320s. Waiting now, what? A fake out of that pre-market high. So that will give me the confirmation to short, and then I will short. MBRX falling over here. In holding pre-market high, 325 support, Apple curling,
a feeler here on Gene. I will add on this crack.
This is good.
IMMP just falling. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to aim for the 296. So this VWAP here is going to be our moment of truth. I'm going to switch over to a tick chart just to give me a better better view on what's going on. And I've got J on bookmap here. So this is literally, and I will trim some at 294. I'll put it here 295.
You can go to here for a fader.
So I'm going to cover 55.
Fail
4.
that pre-market high.
I'm going to throw in a range.
Looking for J lines. 1 minute.
G. And the low, I'm aiming for 296. I'm going to put 296 just to be really light. And what was my average? I want to cover. Oh, damn, that was a nice average.
So IMP.
So I'm going to put this
main one's target.
Setting my range order in. My range order is set. I'm just monitoring here.
And get out early.
Oh, invalid price, but that's going on. Oh, it's 3, sorry. Boom. That's 396. 295. 296. And 335. That's why it rejected me. Okay, so my range is in. I'm just monitoring this there now. I got J on bookmap here. We got
J lines coming over here for rejection. Check IMMP. And almost target.
Come on, no. Being careful here. So it's almost 10. So I want to stay under this 3.
For now, MBRX curling over here.
I want to stay under this, okay? This is my line. Let's be really careful.
If we stuff 116, we'll short this, risking 118. Want to see a stuff on this one.
See sellers in here, 3,000. Oh, I see green. Be careful on this. I'm going to throw in another range here for lower, maybe 2. And I'm literally going to put my stop out 6 cents. So 36. Yeah, there's one here. 35. I'll keep that 36. And that's 290, 269.
A lot of buyers yet.
269.
There are a lot of buyers still on MBRX 117.
369.
So still waiting for the setup traders. This stuff will be the confirmed lower high too short.
Okay, I'm throwing in my full range order for my 100% position in case, just in case that thing wants to break out. Okay, it's 10 o'clock.
G, in the meantime, over here, get the VWAP.
I want to see this rejection.
Had a small push over here. So
I want to
first
see this
target
rejection. It has to come down.
reached.
Okay.
You see the fail below, the lower high.
Boom.
Now,
Okay.
if short, risk this 330. And now we're looking for the J lines over here.
330 of.
Very tight risk. Short in 325, risking 330. Nothing Apple, very lateral.
Beautiful D pattern here. I love it. So if we reject, this is going to be the death line. Well, not the death line. It's like that 311. If we crack this, see we're getting a lower high here. So it's a beautiful three wave. Okay, we cannot pierce over here. We cannot pierce this line here. So my average is there, 330. I'm going to keep my cursor on there. My stop's in place. I'm just
curling MBRX, leave it over there.
Oh, it stopped me out on my first position. Yeah, I had a 335 and I got a, oh, there, I'm all out. Okay, I'm out.
IMMP, perfect. A plus, J lines rejection. Being out 331, now there. MBRX on that bar, traders 2 minimum volume, right? So a lot of volume over here. Don't fight the trend.
Back in.
You're gonna have faders like yesterday. Besides IMMP and CAMP, which were the main ones.
Careful. 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 I gotta. Careful. I'm literally risking this here.
Keep your stops very tight.
Oh, there we go. Boom.
Something
out.
doesn't work. So in this case, we had Gene
Cover.
over here. And this lower high, perfect to short over here, 325, 324, or this one over here. Once you see the curl, 328, 330, 331, get out. Get out before the squeeze, so before the breakout.
Okay.
Now the one is playing perfect. Exactly, Carver. Exactly, perfect, brother. So that's the point of this. Using that very tight stop loss over there. Once it reverses. IMMP is the one to look for. Because gave first a J lines rejection over here. And then a second one over here.
Come on, give me that drop.
watching Gene again, traders.
Give me a nice drop. I'm looking at tick chart here. So if this thing curls back up, I'm out. Okay? Yeah.
10 o'clock, still holding, still very high volume over here.
Okay, so I'm going to cover half at 351. $350. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay, this is not good.
Nothing, very strong break of the bull flag over here. Let's wait. MBRX looking for this trend break. I started short Gene over here. Don't follow me over here. 350. First in high of the day. I saw a big soak on the tape at 350s. This is the high days. This is 360s. Don't follow me on this, traders. There's an anticipation of trend change, so only getting a feeler over here, not full size.
Same here, very small. 355 is average. This is typically careful.
High volume still.
Come on, don't do this. Don't do this. Looking at the tick chart, 360, 362.
So strong volume over here.
Yeah, very strong. 750,000. It's got to give there now. It's almost like a three wave if you want. It needs to drop here. I will cover at 326 if we get this flush here. Okay, I got my finger on the hotkeys just in case it's going to be a fast drop. It's making a higher low, which I don't like. Careful, there's a run here.
IMMP falling. Dayline reduction working good.
Don't like this volume. It's got to die. It's 10 o'clock.
Careful, G.
I'm out. Out, 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 out. Okay, I'm done with it.
Out at 370. At the feeler over here. Now simply we'll leave it unless we have trend break and lower high. The unwind over here,
Yep.
set of bear flags after J-line rejection.
Not good, man. This is probably like the come liquidity, get our stops and boom down. So I'm not gonna fight this. Got support here at 340 on bookmap. It is like a lower high, so it's technically a dish in the volume imbalance, if you ask me. This high here, but when I look at bookmap, I see an algo here at not an algo, but in support at 253. 1008. It's still strong, this thing.
So Gene over here uptrending. You know what they're doing? Only traps over here. So they're breaking on purpose this 350, and then they're reclaiming the bid and pushing until we have trend break, lower high. This is not worth it over here taking for any kind of short with this bond, right? Trending is strong. We said in the beginning it likes to extend. That's the reason why I was waiting this push over here. Faded to the J line, sorry, to the VWAP, and then still pushing over here. Also, pattern curl up very early, 285. MBRX. MBRX very choppy, high volume over here. A lot of shorts trapped below this VWAP 110, 112, 108 over here. Then they pushed it. They trapped the long at 120. So all are trapped over here. Really, I don't like MBRX over here. We'll wait it to trade. Canf, nothing at the open. Was waiting J lines. We have our plan over here, shorting the 50s, so working good. IMMP. So first, pop and fill the J lines. Sorry, exactly over here. Pop and fill. Came up. Reason to get out. Break even or scratch. Always cover as per rules. Half or 2/3 on the first wash. Then trend break and unwind. Over here, perfect J line rejection. A trend break. BA giving an under over. This we were watching for. And then counter trend moves. No setup over here. If you take these setups short, just use like scalp mode, so half size or 1/3 size. Apple was the main one I was watching for. Simply very chopped. Went along with my bear 395. Push to 395 and 70. Move the stop to 395, so small scratch over here, and then simply lateral day. Until we find we have a direction on Apple, do not trade it, right? Not trade it. This is the squeeze on IMMP. Well done, magician. That's a squeeze midday over here, IMMP. So that's the reason why I say first two J lines, best reason to work, not the third one. And then I said put the stop trailing in the money for this reason. You cannot simply every single time go J lines. You see it's not even trending down lateral. No short over here. This is a curl up long.
Yeah, babe.
Exactly, Chris. Exactly. That curl up over there. Perfect, buddy.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off here. It was a small red day today. Not a big red. Very manageable. So anyways, I'll plot out my trade and put that up in my archiving.